All right, hey guys, this is going to be TI 1 through 4 tap class. It is kind of bright in here, so I'm sorry if the glare kind of gets on me. I'm going to try to make sure that you can see my feet the whole time, but we are going to start with a warm-up, the same warm-up that we do every week, and then go into some technique. All right, here we go. So we're going to start with our right foot. We got a heel drop bow, toe drop bow, heel drop, left foot open, heel drop, toe drop bow, heel drop bow, 8-0, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Go to 4-0. Toe drop bow, 3 heels a 1. Toe drop, heels. Go to 2-0. Heel, toe, heel a step a 1. 2, 3, 4 a 1 a 1. 2, 3, 4. Repeat. All right, stretch it out. Both legs, my hip cracked, oh my goodness. All right, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. This time I want, we're gonna speed it up, okay? So we're gonna go 16, 16, 16, 16, both sides, and then we're gonna go to 8, then we go to 4, then we go to 2, and then we do 4 sets of the 1, okay? We're gonna speed it up this time. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. guys hit that. If you want to rewind it and redo it, you totally can. Otherwise, that is a great way to get your ankles and your whole body ready for tap. Okay, so today we're gonna go over a technique combo. Yeah, there is no music, but something that's fun about this is you could probably put it to any song that you want. Okay, so you can go faster, slower, whatever you need to kind of grasp it. But it's just a technique combo, yeah? So just normal stuff that we do in every class. I'm just putting it into a nice pattern that makes a combo, okay? So we are going to start off with the right foot, yeah? And we are going to do a cramp roll. We got step, step, heel, heel. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I'm going to face the back now. So pretend that this is the mirror and you guys are behind me as you usually are, okay? So we're starting with our right foot. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Again, cramp roll, 7, 8, 1. One more time, 7, 8, 1. Cool. So we have 2 of those, okay? So we're gonna go 1. So I'm gonna go and then I'm going to count it out so you're gonna go, okay? So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I want you to go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I'm gonna go. Then you're going to go. Ready? 5, 6, my turn. Your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, my turn. Your turn. Oh. One more time on me. You. Okay, cool. So we got 2 of those in a row, right? We have 1. From here, we're gonna go cramp roll. So you got 3 quicker cramp rolls, okay? We're going a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, stamp, stamp. So it's a little bit faster than the ones that we did before, okay? So we have, these are pretty even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So that was just the right side that we did, and we're gonna repeat that whole thing. Okay? So in all, we do that twice. We got 2 slow. 1. Speed it up. Right side again. Hold on. From here, you're going to go stamp, clap. So that break in the middle of the first one to the second one is just stamp, stamp. And then that second one, what you're going to do is you're going to stamp, clap at the end of it. So with that right foot, you're going stamp, clap. And all of your weight's on that right foot, so you could repeat that entire thing on the left foot since it's free, okay? So we got, with the right foot, you got, speed it up. Stamp, stamp, 1. And that was just the right side. So after that, we're going to repeat the whole thing on the left side. Okay, let's do the right back and forth. So I'm gonna do the whole thing, and then you guys are gonna go on that one. So if I do this once, I got a 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Repeat. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You'll go a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Speed it up. A a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, stamp, stamp, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, my turn, a 1. Your turn, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, a 6, stamp, stamp, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, stamp. So after we finish that stamp clap on the right side, we're going to do the exact same thing on the left. So let's go over that slowly. We got a step, step, heel, heel, step, step, heel, heel. Now remember, when we're doing a right cramp roll versus a left cramp roll, yeah, the right side starts with the step on the right and the heel on the right. And then when we shift to the left cramp roll, we're doing a left step and a left heel first, right? So on the left side, we got left, right, left, right. You got to make sure that your feet are going at the correct time, okay? So we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stamp, stamp. So you got 2 slow, and then you're kind of bringing in those 3. Yeah, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Just do the first again on the left. Okay, so from here, after we finish out that stamp, stamp, we're coming in with the left side again. But when we finish it out this time, you're still stamping left, clap. So there's not 2 stamps, there's just 1 after that second one. And then you clap, because all your weight's on that left foot, which means the right foot is free. Let's just do the whole left side. Ready? 2 slow, 3 fast, stamp, stamp. And then 2 slow, 3 fast, and a stamp, clap. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, a left. Again, 6, left side, a 5, 6, 7, 8, a left. Now, something else that you guys should think about when you're doing those cramp rolls is I'm really on top of myself. Yeah, I'm bending my knees and I'm making sure that I'm not straight legged, because if I'm straight legged doing these, I don't have the power behind my heel drops. You got to make sure that you guys are sitting. You got to make sure that you're sitting into that, okay? So, as a review, we got our right side, and we're ending that right side with a stamp clap, which frees up our left to go into that whole thing, and then we're freeing up the right side at the end with that stamp clap. Okay, we're going to try the whole thing from the top, right side, left side. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11. Two stamps. Left side, 11. Hopefully that went well. We're going to do it 2 more times, the whole thing. Right side into the left side. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11. Okay, we're gonna do it one more time with me, and then this next time I'm just gonna count you guys to do it, okay? Ready, 5, 6, 5, 6, last time with me, yo. Left side open. Okay, so this time when we do it, I'm going to count you guys, and I'm not going to do it with my feet, okay? So I'm just going to count it out, and you got to make sure that what you're doing at home matches the counts that I'm doing here. Yeah, so just as a reminder, when we were doing those cramp rolls, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so you just got to make sure that you know where those counts are with your feet, which is why I counted it a lot, okay? So I'm going to count it out. We're going to try it at home without me, okay? I'm going to move my hands so you guys know kind of where your feet should be, but I'm not going to make any noise, so you got to make sure that you're hitting everything at home, okay? Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, 7, 8, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, 7, 8. All right, I hope that went well at home. This time I'm not moving my hands at all. I want you guys just to try it when I'm counting it out loud. And I want you to try to count it out loud at home too, okay? I really want you to be able to kind of know where the counts are with your feet. They should be exactly together, okay? So if you're moving when I'm not counting, there's a big chance that you guys are a little off, okay? Ready? 5, 6, right foot, 6, 7, 8, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, 7, 8, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, left side, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, 7, 8, again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, 8. All right, I hope that went well. If it didn't, you guys can rewind and kind of see what went wrong, and you could rewatch it and relearn it, and then come back to this point and try it with just the counts, okay? But otherwise, I'm going to move on. Okay, so we did the whole cramp roll section, the right and the left side. So we finished 7, 8. From here on the right side, we're going to go straight into the quick ones, yeah? A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6. So we did 3. We're going to stamp clap on the right. Let's just try that. Ready? 5, 6, right foot. You're right. We're doing it on the left now. Ready? 5, 6, 7, left foot. Okay, so right side, left side. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. I'm going to slow it down just a little bit. Right side, left side. 5, 6, that was too fast. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. From here on the right side, you're going to give me the same thing that we did in the beginning, which is 2 slow and then 3 fast with the stamp clap. So you got okay, so I'm going to do the whole thing for you guys. Right, left, and then the ending. And I want you to see at home if you could do it with your hands. just to kind of hear the rhythm with it, okay? So I'm gonna go from the top. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0. Okay, so I lied initially. That very last one, you're just gonna end with the stamp. So after that entire thing that we just did, you're just gonna end on that right side with the stamp, no clap. Okay, so all I did was I took what we did in the very beginning, the 2 slow, 3 fast, stamp, stamp, and then 2 slow, 3 fast, stamp, clap, and then I repeated that on the left, right? The very ending, the break, as we're gonna call it now, is just the 3 cramp rolls on the right, stamp, clap, and then 3 on the left, and then a stamp, clap. And then you're just bringing it back to the beginning, right what we did in the beginning of this class. The cramp, roll, 2 slow, and then fast, 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 stamp. Okay, so that's the entire right side. And then guess what? We do the whole thing on the left side. Okay, so it's just going back and forth. It's the same stuff on both sides essentially, right? We're just starting with a different foot. So you should be able to do the whole thing at home. I have no doubt in my mind that you guys can do it at home, okay? So I'm gonna do the right side again, and I want you to try it with me at home. If you have troubles with it, I want you to just back up. You could rewind and then rewatch and relearn. Otherwise, I'm gonna move on here. So let's try it all together on the right side. I think we got it. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0. The entire right side, okay? So I'm gonna do it one more time on the right. And then I'm gonna go on to the left. Really briefly, I'm gonna go over how to do the left. You guys should be able to pick up the left because it's the same pattern as the right. It's just starting on the other foot. So I'm gonna do the right foot one more time, and then we're gonna go over the left very slowly. Ready, right foot, 6, one more time. To note on those fast cramp rolls is they're starting on okay, so we're kind of swinging them. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so make sure when you're coming in with the fast ones that it's starting on the Okay, let's try the left. I'm gonna go super slow. Okay, so you got a 1, just did the left and the right, right? Because we just started on the left. Now from here, you just finished out that right side. You're gonna go into the quick ones. You got left foot, 1, and the right. So that was the break, and now you're gonna bring it back to the left side. You got a 1. And then you finish out that entire left side. So we had the right side and the left side. Now we're just gonna do the left side full through. We're gonna do the whole entire thing. And then we're gonna put them together, okay? So let's try the left side all together. Starting with the left foot. Ready, 5, 6, from the top. Hopefully that left side went well. I bet it did if you guys had the right side. So now we are going to put both of them together. Okay, so we're gonna start with that right side. We're gonna go the full thing. And then when we finish that out with the right stamp, it immediately starts on the left side, on that 1, okay? So if you can't really hear me counting, just make sure you're following my feet because I'm sure you could hear my sounds. But I will count you in with claps, okay? So whole thing, right side into the left side. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay. Left side, 11. Okay, so the very last thing that we're doing is I'm going to count out this entire combo and you guys are gonna do it at home without me. I'm not gonna do it at all, okay? So I'm just gonna count and I want you to make sure that your feet are matching the counts that I'm saying, okay? So this is so you guys know what you're missing, if you're rushing, if you're going too slow, and this is for those of you that know that they can do it on their own, okay? So I'm gonna count it out the entire thing just once. And if you think you can go faster than this, the beauty of this is you can put it to any song. You could use any tempo, and you could speed it up if you want, okay? So we're gonna go, and I'm gonna kind of do it with my hands. I'm gonna kind of mirror you guys, okay? So, ready, 5, 6, 5, 6, right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stamp, stamp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, stamp, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is left foot, 3, 4, 5, 6, stamp, stamp, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, stamp, clap, 2, 3, 4, a 5, a 6, stamp, clap, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, stamp, clap, back to the basics, 3, 4, a 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, 4, a 5, a 6, 7, 8, a left side, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, 7, 8, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right side, a 5, a 6, 7, 8, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, speed it up, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, 7, last time, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, 7, 8. All right, that was a whole entire thing, and that was by yourself. So if you finished on all those stamps and all those claps, and at the end on the 7, you were correct. I hope you guys did great at home. This class went really fast for me today. It was a beautiful day outside. I hope it was really nice in Indiana as well. It's really fun tap dancing outside. If you guys have the chance, you should try it. I miss you a whole lot, and I hope you had fun in this technique class. If you have any questions, reach out to me. Otherwise, we are done for today. Thanks, guys. Bye.